Welcome to BellyBreath. Begin by finding a position that feels truly comfortable. Let your body sink into the surface beneath you. Allow your muscles to soften, heavy and relaxed. Take a moment to adjust, giving yourself permission to find the perfect position. When you feel ready, gently close your eyes. Bring your awareness inward, to your breath, to your body, to this present moment. Breathe in slowly and exhale fully. Notice your belly rising and falling. Let it soften, letting your breath move effortlessly. Each inhale invites a sense of expansion, a gentle filling. Each exhale carries away tension. Anything that no longer serves you. Take a deep breath in. Feel life filling you with ease, joy, and possibility. Exhale slowly, releasing what you no longer need. Silently affirm with each inhale, I am new in every moment. And with each exhale, I release what is old and let myself be renewed. I am new in every moment. I release what is old and let myself be renewed. Allow your body to relax even more deeply with each breath. Feel a wave of calm spreading from your head through your shoulders, down your arms, flowing into your torso, your legs, all the way to your feet. Notice the vibration of renewal. Peace. Joy. Ease. Abundance. Well-being. Let it move through you effortlessly, wrapping you in a soothing, comforting embrace. There's no need to force anything. Simply breathe. Let your soul guide you, letting its gentle wisdom fill your awareness. Sense the love and light that exists within you, radiating outward. Breathe in again, deeply. And exhale completely, feeling lighter with each breath. Bring attention now to your heart. Feel it gently beating, steady, full of love. Receive the quiet messages your soul offers. Soft, clear, and full of guidance. Trust these messages. You are safe. You are supported. Take another deep inhale and exhale fully. Let go of anything lingering. Let it all drift away, carried by your breath. Slowly begin to reconnect with your body. Feel the points of contact with the surface beneath you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, softly awakening your physical form. Take one more deep, nourishing breath. Fill your lungs completely with gratitude, with joy, with calm. Hold it, and exhale with a powerful sigh. Release completely. Carry this feeling of renewal with you. Step back into your day with calm, grounded energy, knowing you can return to this space of peace whenever you need. Whenever you're ready, gently open your eyes, feeling refreshed, renewed, and fully present.